Hello friends and welcome back to another art and craft video. Today I'm going to share with you this very easy paper clay recipe, and this can be used to create models for school projects, or you can use this to create some paper mache craft, or as Christmas is approaching you can create small decoration items for the Christmas tree. Over here my daughter had used this clay to create her chemistry project. So this paper clay is really easy to make and all the ingredients are available in the home itself. So the first thing is definitely paper. So over here I am taking some used paper, some rough paper. You can use newspaper, you can use tissue paper, or you can use the shredded paper, and you need to add that to water. So if you are going to make a big batch, then you can use a bucket and you can add all the paper and water and let it soak for a couple of hours. Over here, for the sake of video, I am just adding it in a bowl of water, and once you soak it, you will find that the paper starts absorbing moisture. It absorbs the water and it will turn mushy. It will be easier to break, as you can see over here. And soaking it after a couple of hours, you will see that it is going to turn a lot more squishy and mushy. So once that stage is reached, all you need to do is knead it like a dough. And if you are going to make a really small batch, then you can also use the grinder to blend it a little bit. So this is how it's going to look after you knead it or mush it a little bit. And over here I'm going to add some refined flour. Now this was an old packet of flour, so I wouldn't be using it for eating purpose, so I used this to make this paper mache craft. And if you don't have flour, you can also use cornstarch, but over here I am using refined flour. And I'm going to add some salt because I do not want it getting fungus. So starch, paper pulp and refined flour are the three basic ingredients, and later on we can add some more ingredient to make it a little bit stronger. So first of all I am going to mix all this up, and the moisture from the paper, it's going to get absorbed by the refined flour and you are going to get a smooth kind of texture. You can add a little bit more flour if needed, and then all you need to do is keep on squishing it and mushing it and kneading it till everything mixes up nicely and you get a nice smoothish kind of paste. This step takes a little bit of time because you have to keep kneading it till you get a smooth kind of a paste. It must not be too rough because it is difficult to create things using a rough kind of paste, but once it is smooth, then it is easier to work with it. Keep on kneading it like so, just like you're kneading flour, till everything mixes up and forms a smooth kind of a pasty substance. And once you are happy with the kind of consistency that you want, the last ingredient that you have to add, that is going to be white glue. So over here I am going to also add a little bit of white glue, even though this is working just fine, but white glue is going to give it a little bit more strength. And once whatever you are making with this clay, once it will dry off, then this white glue helps it to bind even more strongly, and whatever you create will have a much stronger hold and it will last longer. So over here, after adding the glue, again I am going to give it a thorough mix, and now this paper clay is ready, and you can see how much easy it is to work with it. And once you create this clay, then this clay can be used for a lot of things. You can use these to create models for school projects. You can use this to create decoration items for, like Christmas is coming, as I told, for the Christmas tree you can create small things and you can hang it on the tree after painting it. You can even use this to create vases and bowls or containers, and which can be air dried and painted, and you can have your own hand painted crafted items at home. So this is one of the easiest methods to prepare paper clay at home, and you can recycle paper in this manner. And over here this clay was used by my daughter to create her chemistry project. So this is the model of some atoms, etc. So this is how she used this clay to create her chemistry model, and this is really useful for school going children also when they have to create projects, etc. You can also make beads etc. with this clay and create your own jewelry. I hope you found this video useful and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.